Filipino China.
Good morning guys! Kumusta naman ang ating kamukhaan dyan? Kakabangon lang namin. Oh my god, hindi pa nakapaghilamos. Tingnan niyo. Ito talaga ang totoong vlog guys. Harap ng camera, wala kang hilamos.
So we have 4 packages.
Apat lang ba na? Ano yun?
That's this. Stocking. No, sorry. I was about to say stocking. And next, we got this one. All the rest are good.
Ah, look. It's a white singlet. Kasha.
I have to do every single one for them. I don't know how to open it.
What is it? I think this lady wants to join. 1, 2, ready? Go! Kumakain ng Skyflakes. What's that? Oh, yeah. Oh, hair tie.
So we got,
Okay.
I don't know. So we got this black thing. I don't know what it is.
Maganda to siya guys. Ayun. Oh, set to siya. Kaya alam mo. Ang malaki. Dapat XS yung binili ko. Maganda pa naman to siya. Try ko naman.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's for tomorrow. Oh, lucky. It arrived in time.
Mama, what's my red dress? Then what's that? It's mine.
Like, it's okay. You can open it and see what size. You got a blanket.
What brand is that?
Oh, it's very, warm.
That's mine. Mama,
I've asked you a question.
Mama, Grace thinks that's hers.
What brand is that, mommy? What brand is that?
Hermes.
Hermes.
And this is? Ay, come on. Okay. Huh?
Tangga.
Ay, Tanga.
Tangga.
Tanga.
Oh, because it sounds nice and very tangga. Hi guys! Good afternoon! Nandito kami ngayon sa Balimba. Si Daddy Mike ay may appointment. And since yung appointment niya ay nandyan lang, oh. And katapat ay park. So, hindi na kami sumama sa kanya na pumasok. Ayan, para madala ko muna yung mga girls dyan sa playground. Hello! Hi, Lini!
Hi.
Here, say hi sa here.
Hi.
Where are we going after here?
Playground.
Oh, this is playground. Where are we going after playground? We're going to do rock climbing. Rock climbing. So, yung plano talaga namin after ni Daddy Mike sa kanyang appointment ay mag-rock climbing yung mga girls. Kasi last week daw may nakita si Daddy Mike doon malapit sa gymnastic ni Ate Paris na rock climbing, and nag-promise siya kay Ate Paris na siya, dalhin niya si Ate Paris today. Sobrang ganda ng view dito guys. Tingnan nyo. Tirik na tirik yung araw, pero alam nyo ba, maginaw. Tingnan nyo si Baby Celine, oh. Pina-jacket ko. Tapos, pants.
So small from here.
Yeah, but look at that view there, oh.
For you.
Brisbane River.
What you?
It's so lovely to watch, guys. Hindi sila nag-aaway. Oh my God. This makes Mama happy, anak. Good girls. Woohoo! Napakabilis ng appointment ni Daddy Mike. Yung mga bata ay isang ano lang, yung swing lang. But it's okay kasi mag-rock climbing naman kami after dito.
Where's my Kara?
He's not there.
Where's my Kara?
No, he's dead.
I'm cold.
Oh yeah?
I know.
Is that?
Hi.
Yeah, he's dead. It's a dead possum
Look
there.
at him.
I've seen him.
Come on, go in. Dito kami sa fish factory. Come on, hold on. We'll just have something to eat here, guys. 1, 2, 3, go. Hello. We'll have some fish and chips.
I like chips.
Mud crabs in store.
Paris. Yeah, Auntie Paris.
Ooh, calamari, please. Oh my god, it looks so good. 12:50 ng hapon. And Daddy Mike tsaka yung mga kids, guys, pumasok sila para mag-order ng fish and chips and calamari. And super exciting, guys, kasi itong place na to, sobrang busy. Oh my god, sis, ang daming taong pumapasok ngayon. Fresh lahat, guys, yung kanilang mga ano dito, mga seafood. At alam niyo ba, sobrang lapit lang dito sa bahay. Like, it's literally 6 or 7 minutes na drive, but never pa kaming pumunta dito. I'm not sure kung bakit hindi kami pumunta dito before. Buti na lang kasi yung rock climbing ay dito madadaanan to. Sabi ko, let's go there. Oh, kasi it's time for lunch na naman. Dito na lang tayo kakain. Pumasok ako kanina, nagtingin-tingin ako ng mga isla, guys. I'm definitely buying something later after namin kumain para sa bahay. Kasi may nakita akong tuna. Oh my God! Napakasarap niyan, guys. Alam niyo yung ang tawag nyo sa Bisaya, tulingan. Tapos prituhon, guys. Oh my God, my favorite. Alam niyo ba, sobrang hilig ko talaga sa pidlayan or tulingan. Ewan ko kung anong tawag, guys, sa Tagalog. But later, kasi may nakita ako doon, picturean ko or ipakita ko sa vlog, tapos makita nyo kung anong ibig mo sabihin. Yan talaga yung paborito kong isda, guys. Sa amin, mahilig ako sa piniprito ng mama ko. Oh my God, favorite ko rin yung inunon. So, hindi ko rin alam, guys, kung ano sa Tagalog yung inunon. Oh my God, tulungan niya ako sa comments below ano yung inunon. But sobrang nasasarapan talaga ako, guys. Funny story, no? Nung buntis ako kay Baby Celine, yun yung pinaglihian ko. Kaya nga siguro, alam niyo yun, kung naniniwala kayo sa lihi-lihi, si Baby Celine medyo dark yung kanyang skin. Kasi siguro na anuhan siya ng yung pinaglilihian ko before is yung inunoon na pidlayan. Bumisita yung tatay ni Daddy Mike from Darwin dito sa Melbourne. Sa Melbourne pa kami noon. And gustong-gusto ko talaga, guys, bumili ng inunoon. So yung Pilipina na nagbebenta, malayo siya sa amin. So kailangan siyang i-pick up sa city. So Daddy Mike said, I'll just pick it up for you kasi yung tatay niya at si Daddy Mike pumunta sila ng city that day. Nag-train lang sila pa uwi. And alam niyo ba, guys, sabi ni Daddy Mike, ay nangamoy talaga kasi alam niyo yung inunoon, nangangamoy talaga yan siya kasi vinegar, ba? Nakarating na sila ng bahay, sobrang excited ko na, guys, kumain na kaagad ako, may kanin na ako, ready. Natawa ako, guys, sa reaction ng papa ni Daddy Mike. Sabi niya sa akin, talagang pumunta siya sa kusina, guys, sanabihan niya ako, Jovi, do you think that's safe for you? Like, do you think that food is still okay? Para kainin daw kasi it's smelly. Nangangamoy daw at nag-aalala siya na buntis pa naman ako at kakain ako ng may amoy na pagkain. Kasi wala yan sa kanila, di ba? But sa akin, guys, the smellier it is, the better. Kasi mas masarap siya kapag may amoy-amoy. So sabi ko sa kanya, Dad, it's okay. It's normal yung amoy niya.
Celine, are you ready? Ate, you gonna go rock climbing?
And me.
So you gonna go rock climbing? Show me how you climb the rocks. Like that?
I have another funny story, guys, about tuna. Daddy will tell you.
Huh?
Tell them about the funny story about the tuna.
So when Jovi was pregnant with Paris, we got into a really big fight one day because we're living in Australia, but she wanted to get some Filipino tuna. And I was trying to tell her, like, listen, we don't sell Filipino tunas in Australia. But she was adamant that we did, so we drove about an hour to get it. Only to find out that they don't sell it. And yeah.
At least it's, you know, it's look-alike.
Daddy was sleeping in their car. I didn't come out because I was blacklisted.
Yeah. It was raining so hard as well. Hindi ko makita yung dad, guys, but I'm so...
pregnant.
I'm so pregnant. I'm so pregnant with this one. Gusto ko talagang kumain ng Filipino.
She's like, she goes, I love Filipino tuna.
So both of them actually, I told them about, you know, when I got Trio and Dad to pick up the Filipino tuna, like the cooked one, and it was smelly.
Oh, yeah.
And that Dad came to me and said, like, are you sure it's okay to eat cherry?
It's very bad.
But the smellier it is, the yummier it is.
The more often it is.
Yeah. You know why? Because I grew up in, you know, like the Baybay. You know Baybay?
No.
Dagat, like near the water, you know? So like we always get fresh. So here's another fact about your mommy, guys. So yung bahay namin malapit sa dagat. So when I was in elementary or I think kahit high school na, so may mga mangingisda malapit sa amin. So kami, wala naman kaming mga camp boat, wala naman kaming mga ganun. So pumupunta kami sa kabilang barangay. Ay, hindi siya kabilang barangay. Di same lang siya barangay, pero kabilang tampi ng lugar namin kung saan maraming mangingisda. Every afternoon, mga 4 to 5, dunggo na ang mga mananagat. Hindi ko alam ano matagalog ng dunggo eh. Dumarating na yung mga galing sa laot. And then they come home, they got like, you know, catch already. At si mami nyo tumutulong sa pag-ahon ng bangka galing sa tubig, guys. Kasi yung mga mangingisda ay binibigyan kami ng isda. So meron kami panghapunan, meron kami pang agahan, o diba? So ganun yung buhay ni mami nyo sa Pilipinas noon, guys. It was fun, you know, like a hard life, but it was fun. Sinasabi ko yun kay Ate Paris, parang sinasabihan ko sila ng story ko noon, nung bata pa ako. Kaya para meron silang idea ba na, you know, they're getting everything easy here, guys. Kumpara sa amin noong buhay namin sa Pinas. So this year now, ang dami namang chips dito. And, the calamari looks different. Yummy.
Slice it up.
Ayan, bibili tayo niya ng ganyan. See that one, Daddy, yeah? That one, yeah? Yeah? It's cool. Kasi pupunta pa kami ng rock climbing, eh. So, kailangan namin ng ganito para safe yung ating magkano kaya ito? Tignan nyo ang kanilang fish. Oyster. The one on the other side. Oysters.
I want them.
Which one?
I just having a look for now, yeah?
That one?
Yeah,
salmon? Huh? Which one?
Skin off.
Skin off?
Oh, yeah, that's also good.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't this one 36?
Fish heads.
You want that?
That's yum, yeah. This one, mani sabawon. 4.90 per kilo. Masarap to siya sabawin. Or yun on. Ito mga fish heads. Yeah, I think whole fish. This one. This is what I was talking about.
Bonito?
Bonito. Yeah, it looks like pidlayan. No. Is it like tuna? Is it like small tuna, yeah? Bonito. Yeah, well, it looks like it. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so in love.
I just touched the bed.
Yeah? More dito? When? Parang bangus ba?
No.
No,
Do you
no.
want those frames cut up or anything?
Yeah, that would be great. Thank
Yeah,
you.
just in multiple pieces, heads in half.
Yeah, perfect.
Perfect. What
Thank
about
you.
the bonito? Do you just want it gutted and kept whole?
Yes. Awesome. Thank you.
We'll get that sorted as well.
Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Got out.
Come on. We're here. 9 degrees Boulder Gym. Andyan pala. Yan yung gym ni Daddy ngayon, guys. Total Fusion. Kapastart lang niya dyan. Excited daw si Inday. Wow. Ligwak, guys, kasi hindi sila nag-check before, ha? Kailangan magkasya sa paa na to before ka dito sa rock climbing. And it's too big for Ate Paris. So, unfortunately, wala. Wala eh. Huh? Hindi kami makaano dito. It's okay. Punta tayo sa gym ni Daddy Mike. Meron daw doon. You will see. Kung may mapagkaroon yung mga kids doon. Ah. So, walay talaga, guys. Doon sa gym ni Daddy Mike ay sarado din. So, dinala namin yung mga girls dito sa complete reserve. Ayan, maraming pwedeng paglaruan yung mga kids dito. This way, anak! Ay, she's gonna go to the swing straight away. See? Nag-renovate sila dito, guys, kasi hindi yan yung kulay before. Tapos yung malaking isla doon, iba din yung kulay before. Binago nila lahat. Yay! Nak, we can sit there together lang. Yeah? Mama can sit here?
And me.
Yes. Okay, hang on. Lucky. Kasi rin ayaw niyang isuot kanina yung kanyang jacket. Gusto niya ng dress. Sabi ko, you'll thank me later, anak. Kasi maginaw sa labas.
Oi!
Hiya!
Hiya!
Can you see me? Woo!
Mimi.
You're so high! Careful! Ate Paris ay nandun na, oh. May daddy. Ito namang isa.
What he's doing there?
Stop it, okay, kakaroon. Come on, you can do it! Aslush, careful! Good girl. Come on! Woo! 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 Woo!
Playground.
Come this way. Anak! Here, look at this one. There's another one. Look at this. Come on! Gahit ng kaulo na ko eh. Woo!
Celine, watch the bar. Watch what you're doing, yeah?
Look where you're going, Celine. Gusto niya talagang gawin eh.
Okay, wait, for us go.
Wait a minute.
He's calling us. I'm up here. The bumper
Slide down.
Huh?
Slide down. Use this one, Baba. Use this as your stairs. Come on.
What?
How did you get up there? Then that's how you gotta get down. Silly girl. You can do it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Good job. Basa-basa na. Come on, we're starting.
Mama? I want to try something.
Grabe. Napakaginaw kahit dito sa loob ng bahay. But I try not to put the heater on. Kasi, ewan ko, hindi ko bet yung parang init ba super, drying kapag naka-heater. So, dito sa kwarto, maginaw siya. But, kung matutulog ka na, may naman. May duna. Tawag nila yung blanket ba. So, dito kami sa bahay na, guys. Si Daddy Mike, dinarap namin kanina sa gym. The kids are watching TV at the moment. Si mami nyo ay magre-ready ng mga dadalhin namin bukas na tipares kasi tomorrow is Sunday, magbibenta na naman tayo. So, sabi ko kanina kay Daddy Mike, I don't wanna say I'm going to work. Sabihin ko, I'm going to make money. O, diba? Para mas, siya, positive siya. Para hindi ka, mapagod. Isipin. So, since it's getting cooler na, ay, yung dadalhin natin is mainly mga pangginaw. So, this one, isa ito sa mga aabangan bukas. So, it's the Burberry trench coat. Ito siya size, size 8 lang to siya. And, last week, yung dinala ko mga ganito din and, mabenta siya. So, ayan. Lagyan ko sila ng mga presyo. Meron din tayong Versace Sport. This one is size 10. So, malaki ito siya sa akin, guys. Yan. Yung missing lang dito is yung kanyang belt. But, other than that, wala siyang problema. Napaka, warm ito. Oh, my goodness. Kikinaw ako. Tingnan nyo. May, siya, quilting siya sa loob. But I think if someone really likes it, they will buy it. Kasi kakaiba to siya. Kaya lang maliit siya sa akin, guys. Size 6 lang ata to siya. Dalhin ko na lang. Tapos, isagad ko yung presyo niya. Oh my God, tingnan niyo. O, paano na yan? Hindi na magkasya. Size lang to siya? 4 lang ba to? Oh my God! Hindi talaga siya magkasya, guys. Ako na talaga. Pero, mainly, pang to siya? Pang benta ko talaga to siya. Bakit ko siya binili? Swerte ng, mga maliliit. Size 4 na ata ito. Kasi, ayan, tag niya, 34. Kita ba dyan? Anyways, dalhin ko. Kasi, baka may magkagusto, di ba? You'll never know. Ito siya. Bet ko pa siya eh. Ayaw ko muna ibenta. Gusto ko pa yata itong suotin pag, punta namin ng Melbourne. Burberry Brit. Tingnan nyo. Maybe next. Pag-isipan ko muna ito. Ito. Think benta ko na ito siya. It's very nice. Zara. Hindi ko to siya nasuot. Napakahaba kasi. Lovely. Okay, this can go. This one. It's a set. I love this one, but inisip ko, saan ba ito siya suot? Napakaganda, madam na madam ka talaga dito kapag sinuot mo to. Set siya. Tapos may pa-style. Madam na madam. Siguro ng Paris. Maganda to siya, kaya lang. Once ko lang yata dito sinuot. Medyo nalilitan ako sa kanya eh. Ganda pa naman ang kulay. Ube! Ang ating ate ay ginising ko, guys, kasi anong oras na?
But when you said,
Yung book.
when you said that, does that mean awake now?
Yeah.
Because Does that make sense?
Show me your hair. Dalagang-dalaga naman ako. Uy, Diyos ko. Look. Ulalala. Yung laki na ni Ate Paris, guys, no? Big girl na. Dalaga na yung kanyang mukha ba? Hindi na baby. But you'll be mama's baby forever, baba. Hindi ko na sana siya gigisingin kasi maaga kami bukas eh. Magtitinda kami, di ba? But she has to eat dinner. Nagluto ako ng corn. Corn, ano?
I know.
You know, can you remember what's corn in Bisaya? Really? I forgot already.
It's a long time ago. It's like last year you told me that.
Mais.
Oh.
Yeah.
Didn't remember that. That was like
What are the words you remember?
Asin,
Asin, yeah.
pinya,
Mm-hmm.
ice. Is that one of them? Ice.
Ice mata.
Sorry, mata. Tubig.
Yeah, good girl.
And I think that's all of it.
Really?
Huh? These are the
Nose
words
is
I learned.
ilong.
Huh?
Ilong.
Ilong.
Come, ali. Pigibak, mama, ali. Agoy, naubo. Come on, pigibak, mama. Pakain ko muna to. Hindi pa ako tapos mag-ready for tomorrow. Finalize ko mamaya.
We're going to Candy's birthday.
Yeah, oh my God, bukas.
We're going to
Daming ganap din.
birthday.
Ow, lawe. Agay, Lord. Agay.
Hey, Ate. Ate, let's go.
Yes, tingnan niyo na luto ko, guys. Pinirito ko yung isda. Alam niyo ba? Iba talaga yung lasa, guys. Iba talaga yung lasa ng isda sa atin ba? Toilet? Ano toilet? Iba kasi yung pinirito ba? Sobrang sarapan yung pinirito sa atin. Pero iba yung lasa ng isda nila dito. Even though the same lang na isda.
We're going.
Anyways, I'm still eating it with my... Ay, Louie! Okay, let's go, let's go. Where are you going?
Toilet.
Ah, toilet! Okay. So guys, madaling araw na. And super sleepy na si mami niyo. Hindi ko pa na-end yung ating vlog. So, naready ko na yung mga dadalhin namin bukas ni Ate Paris. But I'm not sure kung si Ate Paris ay makakasama because she's got cold and a bit of cough. So, sabi ko sa kanya, you don't have to. Kanina, sabi niya na I should be okay tomorrow, mommy. But hindi ko siya pino-force. But sabi niya na aawa daw siya sa akin kung ako lang mag-isa kasi alam na alam niya, guys, kung ano yung mga ganap doon. Niready ko na yung mga susuotin namin bukas just in case makasama siya. Ayan, ito yung susuotin niya bukas. And ito sa akin naman ito, pinlansya ko na. Kasi maaga tayo. Uy, 5 o'clock dapat gising na si mami niyo para mag-ready. And then, ito naman, ayan, ito yung binili ko na, diba? Na, para siyang, sako magba. Ito ang tawag dito sa ganito. Ayan. Very easy kasi yung pag-carry kapag ganito. Sobrang bigat nito. My goodness. Very kilo to. Ayan. Anyways, I'll just do a quick shout out before I'll end the vlog. Shout out to Lenny Langit, Jamila Kawaja, Feli Ilamparo, Mercy Narito, Marlene Suitos, Leonesa Tabiki, Carmen Lu, Yet Palino, hello, Victoria Baptista, Riz Chano, Gina Tan, Irene Aliperio, Evangeline Alvarez, Bini, Marites Guillermo, Pearly Abeliana, Adelaida Ocano, Maria B, Lulu Rodelas, and Guy Enriquez Hair Replacement. So, ayan guys, matutulog na si mami nyo. kasi mag-beauty rest na tayo at bukas ay kakayod na naman. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.